Happy birthday, Idol Mayor Jun Labao.
Boss Mayor Jun Labao, happy 64th birthday. Hoping you're in good health always. Stay safe. I love you, boss. Mwah.
Annyeong! Happy birthday, boss Mayor Jun Labao from your MCR family, and we wish you a long life, good health, and more birthdays to come. Thank you for being a father figure in this municipality and for always being there whenever we need you. Your guidance and support is highly appreciated. For sure, everyone around you will agree that you're a great person, so please take care always and enjoy this day. Ciao! Bye!
To our dear Mayor Jun Labao, happy birthday. It's hard to believe how quickly time flies, but one thing remains constant. Our admiration and affection for you as a family friends. You're always been there, and for my children, you effortlessly stepped into the role of a second father, offering a steady heart and a kind heart. We appreciate you more than word can say. Ang mga memories kag connection sang imo pamilya, halin sang una hasta manakarawa gid nagbago. Ang imo pagpalangga kay pare Mori kag sa akon mga unga, wala gid gihapon nagbago. Si pare Mori ang imo number 1 supporter sa imo pagka-mayor. Sa imo naabtan nga success halin sa pagpanguma hasta nga naging mayor ka sang Mambusaw. Ang imo pagkatawo nga mabinuligon kag mapinalanggaon. Mayor Jun, continue what you have starting. You have a blessing to everybody. May your birthday be abundant with joy, God, health, and all the things that we made you happy. You deserve nothing less. Palangga ka sang among pamilya, kag bilog nga Mambusaw. Happy birthday!
William Barkley once said, there are two great days in a person's life. One is the day he was born, and second, the day he discovered why. On behalf of the Office of the Municipal Person, we would like to greet Mayor Jun Labao a happy 64th birthday. Stay healthy, continue to inspire the Mambusawnons, and continue to help others, especially the least in life.
Happy birthday, Mayor Jun. I wish you all good health, all the best in life. God bless you always. We love you, Mayor.
Happy birthday, boss. I really thank the Lord for giving you another year of life. I'm proud to tell you that it's been a great pleasure working with you every day. O mga mahagpok, mga harakat dyan, you never created a gap between a boss and a subordinate. You are such a good leader and a very good friend. Thank you so much for the trust and confidence you have given me. Thank you so much in believing in my capabilities as one of your department heads. I really wish you good health and more blessings so you can touch more lives. Once again, may the good Lord bless you with more birthdays to celebrate in the future. Happy birthday, boss.
Hello, boss. Happy birthday. Love you.
Boss, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, boss. Love you.
Happy birthday, boss. Wish you all the best. We love you.
Happy birthday, boss. I love you, boss.
Happy birthday, Mayor Jun. Padayon gyapon sa maayo nga pagpanerbisyo sa Banwa Mambusaw. Dari gyapon ako handa nga mag ninja para sa imo. Sayod kayon kung ano ina. Ang imo mayor nga bulawanon nga tagipusoon sa pagbulig sa tawo, amugid ang akon nga ginaidulo. Ako mayor gapasalamat kay gingplastan mo gid ang akon future sa akon bilog nga pamilya. Tubtob sa bilog kong kinabuhi ina mayor ginapasalamatan sa imo. Salamat mayor kay nag-abot ikaw sa tagsa sa amon. Nalipay gid ang tanan sa imong pagbalik. Liwat, happy birthday, boss. God bless. Halungan mo lang gid permi ang imo pagalingon nga hindi ikaw magmasakit. We love you, Mayor June.
On your special day, I just want to say how grateful I am to know you. Salamat sa pagbulig sa amon, sa akon, sa ginhatag mo nga pangamuhian ko ang akong trabaho. May this year bring you more happiness, success, and unforgettable memories. Happy birthday, Mayor June.
To Mayor June Labao, boss, good morning. O nasa tanan, amon nga pag-welcome sa imo sa liwat nga pagpungko bilang ginpili mga tawo nga aton mayor sa Banwat Mambusaw. Ag sa imo kaadlawan, boss, sa mga birthday, ginatamiyaw ka ginamon it manami masadya ag puno it grasya nga pag-celebrar it imong birthday. From all of us here in the back office, we wish you more birthdays to come, good health, true happiness with your loved ones. We love you, Boss Labao.
Happy birthday to our beloved Mayor June. On this special day, we celebrate not just your life, but the kindness and the passion you bring to us and to our community. Na-feel din naman yung mga pagpalangga sa amon, yung mga staff, sa LGU, kag sa lapinagid sa mga mambusaw mo. I know that you care a lot. We are grateful to have someone like you guiding our town, to have a brighter future. May your birthday filled with happiness and good health and same joy you bring to us every day. So happy birthday, Mayor, and God bless you always.
Hello, Mayor. Happy birthday. Salamat gid sa tanan nga advices kag bulig mo kanamon. Bisan kisa may gamay ikaw nga pagka-retubado, pero sayod ako nga ikaw ang klase itawo nga sincere gid kag binuligon sa imo nga mga tawo. Padayunon mo lang ang imong pagkamabuot, pero sa tuod lang ang imong pagkatatay kanamon hindi gid namon malipatan. Gani sa ngalan it mahal na Diyos, tagaan ikaw sang mayad nga lawas ag magpakabuot ikaw. Happy birthday!
Ano dapat?
Oo.
Boss, happy birthday. Wish ko nga magbuhay pagid ang aton nga pag-inuway diri sa munisipyo. Wish ko pagid nga okay yun balaya ang mga intro, okay nyaon, pero pag-abot sa ulihi, hindi lang paglaktit binastos. Ha? Basta sabi ka na. No? So, pati ka lang, permi ka na akon. Okay? Hindi ka magbato ka na akon. Okay? Happy birthday!
Boss, happy birthday. Thank you gid sa mga opportunity gintaw mo kanakon. Kung naman ang akon nagamtan ng mga damgo po na duman, ang good gid nga bagay nga nangin ikaw ang nanging instrumento ng Diyos para maabot ko ang akong mga handog sa kabuhi. On your birthday, kabay-bayaan nga mangin malipayon ka, especially now nga nag-edad ka na, 64 years old kayon. Spend time wisely, especially sa iyong family, at kabay-bayaan na mangin healthy ka para duro pa nga seminar, duro pa nga debate
inosipol ang aton nga pagdebatihan. And thank you kita po sa kung what mo, at least for the time being, nangin mayor ako itong puso kung ka. Anyway, thank you kid. Gabi?
Happy birthday, Daddy Lo. I love you. Take care of yourself. And thank you for the support. I love you, Daddy Lo. Happy birthday, Baby John. Take care of your health. And thank you for supporting us. I love you.
Happy birthday, boss! Thank you for everything. And stay healthy every day. God bless you. Palanga ka ng mohon. From Mayor's Office staff, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Congratulations, Mayor John Labao!
Today is your birthday.
We would like to wish you a happy, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Hooray! Hooray! Hooray, hooray, hooray! We love you, Mayor!
Hello, boss. On behalf of the Laonio and Julia Esther family, gusto ko gini paabot sa pinalangga nga amay itbano ang mambusaw ang amon pagtamyaw sa imo kaadlawan. Madamo gid nga salamat sa imo nga bulig, guidance at pagsuporta sa amon tanan. Kabay nga ang mahal nga Ginoo magahatag pa sa imo sang maayo nga lawas, malawig nga kabuhi, ag awas-awas nga blessing sa imo bilog nga pamilya. Mambusawonons are blessed to have a strong political leader like you, and we are looking forward to a greater Mambusaw in the future. Sa liwat, happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mayor John. Wishing you a wonderful birthday, filled with good health, strength, and joy. Your dedication and leadership continue to inspire us as we work together for the good of our constituents. May this year bring you a more wisdom, blessing, and success in all endeavors of our beloved municipality. Again, have a blessed birthday, Mayor June.